Sage Intacct is a fantastic place to store various documents you may need for your business, from invoices to receipts to contracts or any other documents you may want to keep track of. If you navigate to Company and Attachment folders, you can create various folders to help organize the documents that you are going to upload. Here I've created a couple for different areas of work that my company will do. Got some accounts payable, accounts receivable, employee expense receipts, and payroll. Within the folders, you can create subfolders to help further organize. For example, in payroll, I have a folder for W-4s and employee benefit elections. Another great feature of attachment folders is you can assign employees specific folders so that they can upload their own documents. If you navigate to employees from either the company module or the time or expenses module, I'll stay with company because we're already right here. I can then edit any employee and view the attachment folder they have or assign them a new one. Here I'll add a new one for Mark. I'll just simply name it his name. And then to keep it organized, I do have an employee expenses parent folder that I will assign it to. Then we'll just save. So as a business user, I can see all these different folders we have. But for our employee users, they'll be limited to the folder that we assign them. I'll show you what that looks like. In my other window, I'm logged in as Peter. Peter is an employee user in my instance, and he is assigned the Peter Robinson folder. If I go to attachment folders, I can't even see my own folder because it is part of a parent folder and I don't have access on my employee record. However, if I go to attachments, I can see that my previously uploaded files went to the Peter Robinson folder, and I can add any new expense receipts I need reimbursed for. Just choose to attach files, choose the PDF. The system will default the name, but you can be more specific to help your expense processor out. Once I click save, it will be saved in my attachments. Meanwhile, though, if I do want to try to snoop and see other people's receipts or other documents of the company, I just don't even have access, no matter what I do.